Hey Allure, it's Huda from Huda Beauty, and today I'm going to be doing a 10-minute beauty routine for everyday glam. I'm starting clean. Right now I don't have anything on my skin. I'm going to first start by prepping my skin, and I'm going to be using a gua sha. I basically just put all my skincare products on, and then I'm going to be using a gua sha to just massage it in. I always love to massage my face first thing in the morning. I always feel like there's fluids in my face. My face looks really, really puffy. So I always start with either a gua sha or a little facial massage first thing in the morning. And I've noticed actually from gua shaing that I don't really have to contour my face as much. So I feel like it does a lot for the shape of the face. And this gua sha is my favorite. It's huge. I love a huge gua sha. I feel like it's efficient. It does a lot in a little bit of time. All right, I'm gonna begin with my eyes first. And for this look, I'm gonna do something really, really beautiful. I'm gonna be doing a bronzed, very snatched, lifted look. So it's gonna be very nice and natural, but it's also gonna look a little contoured from the way that I'm gonna be placing my shadow as well as my concealer. I'm using the Grande Brow Serum, and I'm just putting this on my brows before I get started. I always begin with my brows first, so this is a really important step for me. I always just feel like I want brow conditioner, brow lash conditioner. I always like to kind of prep my skin and prep my brows for that. I've been growing my brows back, so I'm kind of proud where they're going. And I actually feel like from doing this, I'm kind of growing brows in different places, and they're actually more lifted now too, which I love. Okay. It's almost dry. I put a lot on there, so it takes some time to dry. I'm gonna start with this brow because I think that brow is dry. I am gonna be using this amazing product. This is from Got2b. It is their brow and edge glue. I love this. I don't know why you can't find it around the world yet. I have to get it in the UK on Amazon. It's the only place I can find it. It's unreal. So I actually have a technique too with it. The brush is awesome. And what I do is actually like to brush my brow hairs down first, and then I brush them up, and I love this. True story, we were actually working on a brow mascara, and then I tried this and I was like, no guys, we can't. This is better. It's the best thing I've ever used. And you can see my brows are in place. Love this. Now, before I actually bring in my eyes, I'm going to be applying a concealer to my brows. And I love to shape my brows with a concealer. So after I've kind of applied this beautiful brow gel on, now I like to actually lift my brows with a concealer. Concealer to me is like the holy grail of lifting your face. I cannot be without concealer. I'm sure a lot of you guys feel the same. So I'm gonna grab, this is Granola. This is a concealer that is closer to my natural skin tone. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand, not too much. And I love using these artist brushes, not makeup artist brushes, but the ones that you actually paint with. There's something about these cheap brushes that to me are the best. It's really, really stiff and it's really short, and I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply a little bit of concealer, and I'm applying it here to kind of clean up any of these little hairs. And you can see immediately kind of gives me a little bit of a lift. And literally you could do this and almost be done for your look, because like clean brows to me are everything. They're everything. They make you look so put together, even if you're not put together. Like honestly guys, I have a cold right now. I am not put together, but I feel like I look put together because my brows are in place. I'm gonna just apply a small amount here. I'm not really keeping it too clean. I just wanna lift this area a little bit. And same on the other side, just to give me a little lift. I'm gonna go with the NYX Brow Tint Pen. I really love this. It's just really precise. And I kind of wanna emphasize that messiness with my brow hair. So I'm just going in creating like little random hairs here. And I'm also gonna be using this to make my brows more symmetrical. I am now gonna be using our new Empowered palette. This is our latest big palette that launched from Huda Beauty. I love this palette so much because of course the colors that we put into it, I wanted to put everyday colors, but I also wanted to put some colors in that kind of represented like feeling really, really gorgeous and really empowered. So I'm gonna go super natural today. So I'm gonna go and use Keep Going. This is my favorite shade in the entire world. And I'm just literally putting it over my lids. And you can see I don't actually have any base on my lids as well, just pigmentation, which sometimes helps. And I'm gonna go on the other side too. And I'm really planting it on, and then I'm gonna blend it in. Okay, and I'm going to kind of shape a little bit of a triangle here. And I'm taking this up to my brow. So I'm meeting my brow here and shaping that out. I'm gonna go right along the lower lash line and bring that out. I'm now gonna take this beautiful shade. This is called Legacy. It's almost like a saffron brown. I just think it's so beautiful. It has like a little bit of this beautiful kind of brick pigmentation to it. I just think it's so gorgeous. I'm putting this on the ends here and I'm blending that inward. I'm also using this amazing brush from Smith & Colt. The Smith & Colt brushes are incredible. I love them so much. They are literally my fave. I am going to be grabbing this beautiful creamy brown and black, and I'm gonna be mixing them. The black is called Purpose and the brown is called Worthy. So I'm gonna be mixing them. I'm gonna first start with Purpose. It's such a beautiful, just beautiful, rich black shade. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm gonna be lining this along the lash line. And I like to look straight into the mirror and kind of look at where my bottom lash line ends. And I kind of just take that up as if it were gonna continue. If my bottom lash line was gonna continue, I just kind of continue that up. And I'm kind of creating a little bit of a shadowy liner. I don't want it to be too intense. So I'm gonna now grab the brown and I'm going to smoke out this liner now using the brown. And I love to mix these. I mix them all the time. I wear this like every day and I just love it. And again, like this is, I'm going a little bit stronger, but you can go lighter, it depends on your preference. All right, now I'm just gonna apply a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna use our Legit Lashes mascara. And I'm just gonna apply it on the lashes here. And the trick with this mascara, people always wonder like, why is it two-sided? It kind of allows you to customize the look that you create. So for instance, I want a more voluminous look, so I'm starting first with the volume side. If you want a less voluminous look, you can start with the length and curl side. Whichever side you start with is what you get. So I'm gonna now apply the length and curl on top of this. And now it's gonna make it just longer. My lashes are crazy right now. So I'm gonna apply volume side on this side as well. And you gotta make weird faces when you're applying mascara, cause you know, makes the mascara apply better. All right, I'm going to now start my complexion. I'm gonna be using this beautiful Danessa Myrix. It's the Yummy Skin. It is a blurring balm powder. It's been trending on TikTok. It's like a primer, foundation, and powder all in one. So this is like perfect for a 10-minute glam. I'm gonna grab a small amount here using the spatula that it comes with. And I'm putting it directly onto the face. I put a lot. And I'm just gonna blend this out. Oh. It's so gorgeous. It's literally so beautiful. I'm gonna apply some to the other side. I'm actually just gonna go straight in with my brush. Yeah. Oh. The brush picks up a lot, so go easy. Look at that. That looks so beautiful. I love products that kind of make glam really easy for you. And this is definitely one of them. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to apply my concealer now. I always like to put my concealer on before I contour. I feel like it just kind of makes the face even more three-dimensional. So I am using, this is my Snatch Shade concealer. This is like 5 shades lighter than my skin tone. I am gonna be lifting the shadow in this whole area with the concealer, and we're also gonna do a little facial lifting as well. So I'm gonna go in. This is my favorite concealer. This is our Faux Filter. I love it. I love it. I'm just applying a little bit there, a little bit here, and between the brows. There we go. I'm gonna go in with an eyeshadow brush and I'm going to blend this in now. And what I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna grab a little bit of that concealer and I want to really lift this area here. So I'm actually purposely drawing a pretty sharp line here. And this is like totally okay to do. Even if I was wearing eyeshadow, not liner, this would actually look beautiful as well. And I'm again gonna go in and define this. And you can see that, like as I define it, it looks really nice and shapely. It just gives it a lift, like a beautiful lift. It's just so beautiful. And then you can just blend out the ends with your fingers if you want. All right, I am going to go in now with this beautiful, this is the beautiful skin. It's actually called Beautiful Skin. It is beautiful. Sun Kissed Glow Bronzer. I love this. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. So I'm gonna go in and I'm going to apply it as a bronzer here. And I'm gonna go upwards a little bit, kind of into the cheeks. It's so beautiful. It's like a cream meets a powder. I love cream powder products. I just feel like they're everything. So I'm putting it there. I'm gonna do a little bit on the cheeks as well. I feel like I applied a little too much, so I'm gonna go in with that, whatever's left of the Danessa product on my brush, and I'm gonna blend that in. There we go. Okay, to kind of bring this all together, we're gonna be using this beautiful cheeky tint, and actually this one an Allure Beauty Award, which I was really excited about, and it's a best-selling product for us. It is our cheeky tint blush stick. Love this so much. I think I'm gonna go for Rebel Red, and I'm just gonna be applying a nice amount here, and this is kind of blend everything in. Don't really need to put a lot on this, like a little goes a long way. So if you're applying it directly to the face, just go sparingly. Okay, I'm going to be using our Easy Bake pressed powder, which is my fave. These two for me, the concealer and the Easy Bake, is like my life essentials right here. So I'm going to grab a little powder puff, and I'm just lightly setting the eye area. I'm not really baking here, just pushing it in. And I'm gonna push it into my smile lines too. I smile a lot, so I have deep smile lines, which I think is like okay, but they're deep. So I always kind of put a little extra Easy Bake in here. All right, I'm gonna now use this beautiful blush from Hermes. I love this blush so much. This is 23 Rose blush, and I'm just gonna put it on top of the Rebel Red. Also, this is quite intense too, so go in sparingly. I am now gonna go in with lip liner. These are from Makeup Forever. Their lip liners are so beautiful. I like them because they're like classic pencil liners. I'm gonna use this. This is shade Whatever Walnut. I'm just gonna go ahead and line the top here. I am going to grab the Kylie Jenner lip oil, and I'm just gonna apply it on top here. Oh, so pretty. And this is perfect for a 10-minute look. So this is the final look. If you do want to smoke it up a little bit, and of course I want to, I'm gonna grab a little bit of eyeshadow. I'm gonna grab that Keep Going color, that really pretty bronzy shade, and I am just gonna go underneath here on the eyes. I always like to apply a little bit of eyeshadow underneath. Right there. And then I'm gonna apply a little mascara to the bottom. I'm gonna go very, very light with the mascara on bottom. This is my 10-minute natural glam. Oh wait, I didn't contour my nose. Oh my God, I didn't contour my nose. So I'm a big fan of contouring. I'm just gonna use that Beautiful Skin Sun Kissed Glow Bronzer again on the nose. I'm just gonna do a little contour. I feel like anytime you wear makeup, you kind of have to do a little bit of contouring. And there we have it. This is my 10-minute beauty routine. And the glam is a little bit between soft and Ultra Glam. This is as natural as I could get, but it actually was really, really quick and really, really easy. Thanks so much, Allure. I hope you guys enjoyed this 10-minute beauty routine, natural glam, as natural as I could get it. And I'll see you guys next time. Love you guys so much.